All right, so first up, we're gonna use some spray paint actually. What is it? Club green. Kind of just like a green pumpkin, a little bit darker though. So. All right, so now we're gonna hit it with some pearl white just on the belly, just to cover up the lead hole and whatnot. All right, so this is how it turned out. Looking pretty nice. I had to drill a hole in the top right there. You can kind of see a little bit because I forgot to put the, what do you call them? Beads, so it'll rattle. Forgot to put that in while it was printing. So, but aside from that, it looks pretty clean. Let's go see if we can't catch a fish. There we go. All right. Thanks for shitting on everything. Nice. Another fish. This one's a better one. Yeah. There we go. Got a nice one, £1.25-ish. What a little fucker. I'm gonna try to fish here at least a little bit. It's gonna be difficult, but just okay. Well, you know, just the dinkiest bass in the pond. There we go. I don't know how I'm going to throw this dude back. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the video today. Ended up doing pretty well, catching multiple fish. The action was really good on that lure. I'm going to keep it in my tackle box and actually probably use it quite a bit. So very confident in that lure. And I am going to try to sell some of them, so there will be a link down in the description if you're interested in picking one up. I'm not sure exactly on the price yet. I'm thinking around $15, trying to keep it on the lower end for at least handmade lures. That seems like a pretty low price in my opinion. Kind of just trying to get my work out there, and it's something I enjoy doing, so it would just be nice, and I would appreciate the support if you guys want to check that out. But that's going to do it for the video today. If you liked it, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. I will see you all in the next video.